Hello everyone, my name is Varun and welcome back to the channel in this new video. So recently we have been uploading a lot of travel videos in our channel and many of you all have been asking also the kind of shooting gears that we use in these videos. So we thought of making this video specially dedicated to one such shooting gear that we use, that is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So we'll be sharing a lot of features that we commonly use in this GoPro. So if you're looking out for buying a new GoPro and to have a quick look at the features that it offers, then this video is right for you. So stay tuned till the end. So as you all know, this is an action camera and this is mainly used while you're on the go, while you're on a cycle or while you're running, or it is mounted on a bike or a car, etc. And you do not want the footage to be shaky at all. So that's where this feature of hyper smooth boost comes into play. And this feature is very cool and is very helpful and is an excellent replacement of the gimbal. So let me show you an example of footage with and without this feature on. So there are different levels of stabilizations offered. You can choose the kind of stabilization that you want as per your requirement. So it really smoothens out the entire jerkiness in the footages. So that's why it's called the hyper smooth boost. So talking about the GoPro, how can we forget about the underwater shots that it can take? So they say that the GoPro can go up to 10 meters down underwater and take some beautiful footages. So now, even though they have mentioned that it can go up to 10 meters down, we ourselves haven't tried going down below 1 feet. So maybe in the future we might use it when we are scuba diving or anything of that sort. So let me show you one of the recent underwater shots that we have used in Karnala. So if you haven't seen the entire video of the Karnala hiking that we have done, I'll link up the card over here. You can go and check it out. So as you guys can see, it captures great underwater ambience and the sound of it. So this is one of the cool features you should really look out for. Now talking about time lapses, I'm a very big fan of it. No trip of ours is completed without capturing a time lapse. So if you see most of our cinematic video footage, we have one time lapse at least in the entire footage because it gives an entirely different look to the video. And in the GoPro, it has a very wide angle lens, so it captures the entire time lapse with the landscape view very well with each and every detail that you want. And also time lapses are something which a human eye cannot witness live. So if you have these kind of footages in your video, it gives that wow factor in your entire video. So try it out. So now talking about the next feature which we commonly use is the SloMo feature in the GoPro. So now if you want good cinematic videos with SloMo effect like slow transitions, slow motions, etc., then this is the feature you should really try out. So when you're editing your video in the software, you can extremely slow down the speed of the video and give that good cinematic look to the entire footage. And trust me guys, the GoPro does a tremendous job of giving that cinematic slow motion effect to the entire footage. So I'm in love with this feature, so you should also try it out and you will also fall in love with it. So the features that we have shared in this video is something that we love and we use commonly, okay? So there are a lot of videos out there giving the technical aspects of the GoPro which we are not covering in this video because it's something which everyone has been doing. So we wanted to focus this video mainly on the features that we use on a regular basis and share that experience with you. If you want to have a look at some more features, do click on the first link mentioned in the description box below and check it out. So hope you guys found this video very helpful, and let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video by GoPro. This is just our experience and our thing that we wanted to share with you all. So hope you guys found this video very helpful. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and please share it with any of your friends or family members whom you think this video would really help them in buying a GoPro. And please comment in case of any queries that you might have. We'll try and answer each and every one of them. And more importantly, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. It would really mean a lot to us. So I guess we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.